If your enemy's underwater and you cannot spot him, throw a smoke grenade in the water. As soon as the enemy comes near the smoke, you'll see a blue reflection of your enemy in the water. Take out your gun and fire at it to kill your enemy. If you spot an enemy on the balcony of the squad house, climb the stairs and jump onto this window. Now get down in this manner and jump towards the balcony to surprise your enemy and kill them. When you see an enemy waiting for you near the stairs, go to the balcony of the next house and walk towards the balcony of the enemy's house in this manner. Surprise your enemy by entering from the back door and kill them. If you're in a lobby and want to tell something to your squad members without turning on your mic, you can go to Messages and click over here to type your message. It'll be shown in the lobby for a few seconds and get disappeared. You can throw any grenade through the wall in this manner. Go close towards the wall, take a grenade, change it to low toss, and throw it. The grenade goes through the wall and kills the enemy. You can climb this building located inside the military base in this manner. Jump over the wall. Now jump over to the top of the entrance and climb the building. You can hide yourself over here to kill your enemies easily. Here's a trick to make no noise while walking. Hold a Molotov cocktail in your hand, change it to low toss, and start sprinting. As you can see, there is no sound of the footsteps coming in this case, whereas here's the case when you sprint normally. You can climb the stairs of this warehouse and jump over here to hide yourself in the corner. You can surprise the enemy and kill them as soon as they enter the warehouse. You can climb over to the crane present near the Novo containers. Now get down in this manner. You'll lose your health, but it's worth it. Hide yourself and kill the enemies as soon as they come near you. Never stand close to a damaged vehicle. As soon as it bursts, the player standing beside it gets automatically killed without getting knocked. Ever wondered how long the quick chat messages last for? The enemies ahead mark lasts for 5 seconds, and the I got supplies mark lasts for 30 seconds. You can climb over your teammate to know about the enemy's position above you. Just make your teammate stand beside the door in this manner and try to climb the door from the other side. Now you know the exact position of your enemy, so we can go and kill them easily. When you try to block the stairs of the squad house with a vehicle, don't do it in this manner because it won't let you climb the stairs. Keep the vehicle full straight and take it to the top. Just press the exit button to get down onto the other side. Now wait here for your enemies to do the same. As soon as they do it, start firing for an easy kill. Now let's talk about the marks on the minimap. First, footsteps. The maximum distance of the footstep you can see is 20 meters. It's the dimmest. As the enemy approaches you, it gets brighter in the following manner: 20 meters, 15 meters, 10 meters. Secondly, we'll talk about the vehicle's mark. If a vehicle is coming towards you, you'll see the mark at roughly 90 meters. It'll be the dimmest. As the vehicle approaches you, it gets brighter in the following manner: 90 meters, 60 meters, 30 meters. You can throw a grenade farther than normal if you jump and throw compared to a normal throw. Just make sure to click on the jump button just after you release the grenade. There are two possible ways to climb the barn house. Number 1, climb over the window in this manner and jump onto the shack below. Now climb over to the terrace in this manner. Number 2, when there's no shack below the barn house, climb over to the window in this manner and go around the barn house like this to reach the terrace. It's easier to climb a steep mountain in the reverse direction of a UAZ compared to climbing it in the forward direction. The new update has introduced some new loot locations. You'll find a dry tree which will provide you with some surprise loot when you water it by clicking on the water button. Places where you can find these trees are near the starting of the military base bridge, near the laboratory on this mountain next to the military base, near the mountain between Rozak and school, and inside the hospital building. If you knock out a player and die, you would still get the kill if the knocked player is killed by any of your teammates. Here's a fun tip. Take a grenade and change it to low toss. Now stand close to a UAZ and start cooking the grenade until it blasts. You'll see that the vehicle gets damaged, but nothing happens to you.